So I'm going to show you how to change the default download location of your Galaxy A17 5G to the SD card. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is change the default download location of your favorite browser. That's how you do it. So you want to go into Chrome, for instance. Let's say you use Chrome as your default browser. So open Chrome and then go to the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Now under Settings, scroll down and look for Downloads. Tap on that. And then you can see the download location. You can tap on that and change that to the SD card and then tap on Done. Okay. Now once you do that, your default download destination for Google Chrome is going to be the Downloads folder. And then you can do that for other applications that whose download destination or download folder you can change. Thanks for watching and good luck.